In this video we are going to talk about 5 animals with longest lifespans. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Animals living in natural surroundings rarely reach their full possible age, despite the fact that they are capable of doing so. This is due to extraordinarily high mortality rates caused by infant mortality, illnesses, predators, harsh weather, habitat degradation, or competition for food and shelter. Here is a list of the 5 creatures who, if they were to live in ideal conditions, would have the longest lifespans. Number 5. Koi fish. The average lifespan of a Japanese koi is approximately 40 years, though they can live considerably longer if they are kept in a suitable environment for their species. When one particular fish, dubbed Hanako, went away in 1977, she had lived to the amazing age of 226 years and 11 months. The scientists were able to establish her age by measuring the number of growth rings on her scales, which they found in her hair. Number 4. Bowhead whale. Bowhead whales have been known to live for more than 200 years, making them the world's longest living mammals. However, due to the fact that they spend their entire lives in the Arctic and subarctic, it is not always easy to determine their exact age. They've also been known to outlive the researchers that study them, which is a good thing. Some people estimate the age of captured animals by finding harpoon shards in their blubber. One man claimed to have harpoon shards dating back to the 1800s in his hands. Another way is to determine life expectancy by DNA analysis, with experts predicting that bowhead whales can live to be 268 years old. Number 3. Greenland shark. Sharks from Greenland have a life expectancy of between 300 and 500 years, making them the longest-lived vertebrate species on the planet. A snail's pace is maintained by their average speed of 0.76 miles per hour. Their development rate is around 1 centimeter each year, and females may not reach sexual maturity until they are 100 to 150 years old, which makes for a very long childhood. In spite of their gigantic size and long existence, scientists have been perplexed by the enormous size and extended lifespan of these sharks for many years now. Their most recent discovery was a revolutionary way of estimating age that relies on radiocarbon dating of the lens of the eye, which was only recently discovered to be effective. Fresh tissues are incorporated into the lens with each passing year, allowing scientists to determine the age of a lens by analyzing the amount of carbon isotope present in the tissue. Number 2. Ocean quahog. Ocean quahogs are a type of edible clam that can live for hundreds of years and are harvested for their meat. Many will live to see their 400th birthday, and the oldest one ever caught was 507 years old when it was caught off the coast of Iceland in 2006, making it the world's oldest fish to be caught at that time. Using the same method that we use to date trees, scientists were able to compute the age of a turtle shell by counting the number of growth rings present on the shell. Besides that, they will have the opportunity to receive extra information. The evolution of shells throughout time can provide valuable information to researchers about ocean changes. They are living creatures that act as a metaphor for life on a planet that is constantly evolving. Number 1. Immortal jellyfish. Consider the experience of being immortal. Can you picture what it might be like? From our perspective, this is the stuff of fantastical tales. This is the beginning of the end for the seemingly immortal jellyfish. Their lives begin as larvae, also known as planula, which swarm around in the ocean, where they develop into extraordinary animals. After that, they settle on the seafloor and transform into static polyps, which in turn transform into swimming medusa in the long term. But if an immortal jellyfish is injured or stressed as a result of changes in their environment at any time during their evolution, they can regress to the polyp stage and begin the process all over again. And, if given the opportunity, they will continue to do so in perpetuity. Thousands, however, will not survive since they will be consumed by other species. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.